Hey guys, happy weekend. Gonna do the sector outlook review quickly. I'm gonna do the indices slash futures on the Sunday night live stream with Ninja Trader. So if you want to see those, you can join the live stream. It's a fun time, me and Nick. So let's get started. XLE, we got the month in force, meaning we're below the pink line. So 3, 2 up, 2 down. Nothing actionable for the week, but potential maybe inside day down to hit the monthly, not the monthly target, sorry, hit target. And then the monthly trigger is also, sorry, golly, the monthly target is also the quarterly trigger, is what I'm trying to say. XLF, same thing, month in force, nothing actionable on the week. Same thing, inside day, maybe to the downside for the monthly target and quarterly trigger. Full time frame continuity is still down. We got the month is red, the week is red. We'll see where we open next week, but preferably we, take out the monthly target. XBI, still strong, still good. If you're long, you're good. Just keep walking those stops up. Daily actionable signal for Monday for possible continuation. Not continuation in the strat sense, but back up to these highs. Gold, still walking up those stops on the week. Big 3 on the day, nowhere near reversing the week. So how are you going to get out of that? 3-2 down, 3-1, 3-2 up. Kind of depends where we open. But still good since this reversal way back here. Or 3-2 continuation rather. Up, 2 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 up. Volume, I mean, if you're a volume person, volume's getting pretty big. So a lot of interest. Sometimes a volume spike can mean a reversal, but we don't trade that way. But if you're a volume, XLU, still good, still up at the all-time highs. As long as we don't reverse below here, should be good. You got a 3-2-2 set up for Monday to target long again for Monday. Yuck. XLI, potential outside month, failed the highs. We're looking to take last month's lows. You have an inside week to start the week. And you have an inside day that can trigger the inside week down and come through all these pivots. Some people got their stops, right? Like all along this area, right? Because it's just higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We know people put their stops there. So potential inside day to trigger inside week down. Well, but again, I'm going to cover all that on the Sunday show. Let's see. Retail did trigger the month at some point last week, not in force currently. However, we have an inside week again, or inside week this week. Well, we had one back here, which broke down, which we talked about that. And you have an inside day, which is pretty inside. So either side, again, you're confirming or negating the month. So the monthly trigger is here. If we confirm, we're going inside and down. If we negate, we're going inside and up for potential outside month the other way. So this could go either way. Again, XLV. Ooh, TheStrat week. Nice. We like that. Ooh, we really like this guy. Hold on, I'll show you. We're going to move that there. So what do we got? We have a domino trade. We have a 2 down, 2 up day, which can trigger the TheStrat week. Target 1, target 2. This is nice. So Monday will trigger the week if we go 2 up. Target 1, target 2. I'm tightening range. XLK. Not sure why I sang that. You're welcome. Low 78.28. Ooh, this is a 2 down, believe it or not. So 2 down, 2 up, and you got a daily actionable signal. So you want to see here. I do like to draw them. 2 down, 2 up, which can trigger the week. And then the week magnitude is up there. So you have another domino. which are one of my favorite things to trade. I have two favorite things to trade: domino trades and failed twos at the highs, because I like to play to the short side. SMH, inside week up at the all-time highs. Not a lot of magnitude, so you just have to be like, it's still good. This is also a domino setup. You have a 2 down, 2 up day that can trigger the week. So your magnitude would be from the daily trigger to the weekly or the all-time high, which is $3.60. And if it stays going, you can partial most of your position here and then trail on the rest, whatever time frame you want. 64 hours. Oh, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. So I had this broad information drawn. However, we did not get a weekly reversal. We did get a daily reversal. So if you attempted to take this long, here, let's make this big. This is how you strat this stuff. So we have our broad information. You can't not see it. It's like as clear as day, right? So if this price action didn't exist, you're like, I'm going to take the inside bar reversal up, targeting the other side of the range, right? Right. You do that. But when you get a reversal against, you also have to get out. So this would be your exit if you're trailing on the daily time frame, which is in profit, so that's fine. And then what did they do? They did exactly what they should have done, like relative to what this chart looks like, right? So they triggered the quarter. They took out this pivot low and they went 2 up, 2 down, inside. So if you have the ability to short, which most Americans do not, which is why I quit messing with crypto for the most part, because I want to play both ways on the things that I play. So short there, add there, target 1, target 2. So now I'm curious to see, since they triggered the quarter, do they try and take it back up? Well, we've already gone outside quarter, haven't we? Yes. So we've already gone outside quarter. So just have to be careful. It's kind of anybody's guess right now. So it did what it was supposed to do. So you really need to wait for actionable signals on the daily or weekly time frame. And maybe we just chop around in here till the end of the month. And then maybe next month, there's always only 3 things that can happen: inside bar, 2 down, or potential double 3 on the quarter, which I don't think happens very often ever. So likely a 2 down or an inside for next quarter. But we'll see what the monthly flip brings. But here is your broadening formation. If this was your mother bar, or even these two, if this is what we do, is how we see ranges. If these two were one candle, here, and these two are one candle, that's your outside bar, right? But you can still see we failed to stay above the highs. So where are we going? We're coming to take out the lows, which it did do. So that's what I'm saying. It did do what it was supposed to do. It went outside month and outside quarter. So now we don't know. Either going to reverse or continue. Got to watch the charts. All right, guys, that is all for me.